Good morning, students. Today I will discuss the eddy currents, the induced circulating currents produced in a conductor itself due to change in magnetic flux linked with the conductor are called eddy currents. Or we can say the current induced in a body of a conductor whenever it is placed in a changing magnetic field. These currents were discovered by Foucault, so also known as Foucault's current, and the direction of eddy current is given by Lenge's law. Eddy current produced in a metallic block placed in a non-uniform magnetic field is shown in figure. It is the current which is of circulating type, so it is known as eddy current. Now here is an demonstration of eddy current or the damping of oscillating metallic plates. A metallic plate of copper or aluminum is made to oscillate between two poles of strong magnet. Then the plate comes into rest after a short interval of time. Why it happens? So when a metallic plate oscillates in the uniform magnetic field, the magnetic flux linked with the plate changes due to its oscillations, and we know that as there is a change in magnetic flux, it induces an EMF E is equals to minus d phi upon dt, and then this induced EMF induces a current which is known as eddy current and flows through the plate. Due to this eddy current, heat is produced in this metallic plate oscillating in the uniform magnetic field. Thus the mechanical energy of the plate is converted into heat. As the total mechanical energy is converted into heat, the metallic plate comes to rest. So the motion of the plate in uniform magnetic field is stopped or damped. But if we make this metallic plate slotted, then the plate swings more freely. The damping effect is reduced because of reduced area available for the flow of eddy currents. Eddy current have several disadvantages. The production of eddy currents in a metallic block leads the loss of electric energy in the form of heat. Sometimes the heat produced due to the eddy currents breaks the insulation used in the electrical machines or the appliances, and eddy currents may cause unwanted damping effect as we have discussed here. Now for minimization of loss due to eddy currents, what may be the methods? To minimize loss due to the eddy currents, the solid metallic core is replaced with a large number of thin sheets. These three seeds are electrically insulated and are called laminations. These laminations are tightly fixed to form a core called laminated core. The insulation breaks the path of eddy currents and keep the eddy currents restricted to the individual seeds. So the eddy current produced in one seed is not added in the current produced in the another seed, or we can say the paths of eddy currents in the core as a whole is broken, so the eddy currents are reduced to a large extent. So the loss of electrical energy in the form of heat can be minimized. But here is a thing which we must note, that the eddy current may be reduced but not completely eliminated. And the second thing, that the eddy currents are generated only in the conductors.